Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw to the alphabet. Color name, green color, red color, not missing, not missing, white color, missing, blue color. So let's go kids. White color, blue color, green color, red color. So let's go. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for aeroplane. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. B is for bicycle. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for car. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. D is for dog. Please subscribe this YouTube channel and watch the full videos. Now I am drawing letter E. E is for elephant. E is for egg. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Please subscribe this channel kids. Now I am drawing letter G. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for hen. H is for house. So let's go kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Bye bye kids.